If you're looking for a water feature, water garden, backyard pond, or need any pond repairs done in and around Howard County or Montgomery County in Maryland, Northern Virginia, or the Washington, D.C. area, you need to contact Premier Ponds at 301-821-7777 or visit www.premierpond.com. Contact Steve if you're close by Frederick, Silver Springs, Ellicott City, Columbia, Baltimore, or Bethesda, Maryland. Steve's been in the aquatics field for over 28 years with extensive knowledge of everything water. Again, that phone number is 301-821-7777. Premier Ponds is locally owned and operated and dedicated to the exclusive specialty of ponds and water gardens. They will take real good care of you. So call Premier Ponds today at 301-821-7777.